Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ProShares Ultra Pro Triple Q, or the ticker name suggests T Triple Q. And this chart has been very fascinating, so because we have lots of volatility, but if you look at the overall trend, so from the lows of 2010 and near to its current level, it has already given you 10,000% return in the last 10 years. So the rise is very much, you can say that exceptional or stupendous rise we have seen in this particular script. Now if you look at this trend, it is also very much in the trend, and you cannot say because we have volatility it is just moving around and all those things, but this is not the case. As you can see, the trend is very much intact and it is very much alive. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now here you have your trend. Just have a look at this trend. Okay, just have a look at this trend. You will see a very simple and identifiable patterns, okay, which is simple to understand and through which you can find or guess your support and resistance level. So let me quickly tell you about this. As you can see here, you have your big support, okay, because it is moving it is near to the higher end of the range. You have your big support at 56, then you have your next big support at 39, okay, and you have your, let me just zoom this chart a bit because it has indeed makes a breakout. So you have your first support at the current price $151, and you have your resistance, okay, you have your resistance or target in between 179 and $200, because we don't know whether it will go straight or it will tilt a bit. So we are going to say that this is the line which you can call as a target or a resistance line, and it will fall in between 180 and $200 for the particular stock. Now as you can see, and if you observe the long-term trend, so probably the stock is at the highest end of its range, and it will definitely see a correction if there is a big if. So you can see here this line is the resistance line. So if it touches the lines and falls back, then obviously we can see a good correction over a period of time, except if it simply crosses the line and moves above the line. Okay, so if the stock crosses this line and sustain above this line, then there is a probability that a new trend will start. So that is an exceptional case that we are not considering right now, because the old trend is very much intact. So what we are going to look here is the current trend, and it is just an exception. So just to have a discussion on that, I've just simply said to you, because sometimes things can go in the way which we haven't planned. So if there is some positivity and the trend will change, then obviously we are going to look at this. So what you can see for the time being, okay, now for the time being what you can do here is you have your so you have your big support and you have your big resistance. So further you can use, so now you have 112 as your first support, line of support. Below that you have 56 and 39 on the downside. On the upside you have, or 151 probably, because it is trading above 151, so 151 is also your support on the upside. For the time being you have a target which will be in between 179 or 180 to 200, which could probably be the final high for the time being, unless it crosses above the line, makes a big breakout and sustain above that one, or sustain above that level. So that's an exceptional case that we are going to see probably in the time or in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.